Hello, I am here to share. This is my March Simon Says stamp kit for the month of March, and I've actually already started using it. It has a little bit of an Easter theme, and I've already started using this stamp set that came with it, with the bunny and the little duck. I think they're so adorable. I've actually stamped the little boots here, the little rain boots this way, these little rain boots down here, which are kind of hard to see against the, there we go, little rain boots, and I've stamped the little ducky as well. So, but I plan on using some of the other ones, and I've started coloring those two images. And this month's kit had 2 stamp sets, and there's also this one. I have not used any of these yet, but I will here in the next couple of days. And we have in here some stickers to put in cards and projects, and they're really pretty a nice decent size. They feel kind of thick. So we have those, and then we have these that came with the set, and they're very springy and very pretty, and heaven knows I'm ready for spring. And then I think these are some card bases. Yes, that's what they are, card bases. Where is the opening for them, or do we have to, I think we have to cut into these. They're not just gonna come open. There we go. I'm gonna make a little slit in them. And these are some cream colored card bases. I actually have not used any of these because I just opened up the package, and they include a couple of them in here. There's at least 4, I think, or maybe is it 3? I'll have to find out by reading the little package. And they've got half of a paper pad in here, and there's some cutouts to use, and some cute patterns, and they're double-sided, which always makes it so hard for me because then I gotta pick which side I want to use, and it's always very hard for me to choose. And I have not purchased the complete pad of this of these patterns, and I'm not sure even if I will. And then there's 3 envelopes, which makes me think that there's probably 3 card bases over here for the 3 envelopes. And look how pretty these colors are. There's purple and pink and like a light brown, and they've got almost like a little, well, this one has a wood grain tone, these other ones don't, they're just shimmery. And then we've got some little pom-poms to make rabbit, little bushy tails, rabbit tails, little pom-poms. And there's 2 little mini ink pads in here. One is in purple, and this one is in a shade of pink, it looks like. They're a little lollipop, which my son loves to take. And they have in here, and I have opened this one up. This is a glitter gloss. I don't tend to use these very often, but I'm going to give it a try and see if that is something that I will like. And here is their inspiration piece for ideas. And this kit includes Choose Joy and Shower and Flowers clear stamp sets, the Hollyhock and Wisteria mini hybrid ink cubes, the pom-poms, 12 double-sided sheets of Cardabella Spring Market, which is this little pad here. Excuse my little sniffly nose. Larger sticker sheets, and then 3 Simon Says stamp pre-scored cards in cream, 1 tonic glitter gloss aqua shimmer pen, 1 Simon Says envelopes in metallic lavender, metallic cotton, and khaki wood grain, and 1 sheet each of Simon Says stamp 100-pound cardstock And these are these down here. And they have it in cotton candy, green apple and leaf green, and Nina 110-pound solar white and 100-pound desert storm. They've got the green apple, and I'm assuming this is leaf, maybe green apple and leaf. And here is the cotton candy. Camera doesn't really do very well with that color. Looks like my camera's going nuts with all the different things it's got to focus on. And here's the white, and here is the beige. So they've got a lot of choices, and I tend to not use these for bases because they are so pretty, but I'm gonna probably venture into this kit and probably use some of those bases just to see for the fun of it. But I do have a lot of that cardstock from other kits, parts and pieces of them, because I just use them for like the just like the what am I thinking of, what's the word, not the base, but just kind of like little embellishments pieces that I cut out of them. I feel like I get more use out of them that way. But anyhow, this is the Simon Says stamp kit for the month of March, which I of course started using it even before filming this video to share with you all. And I have a couple of cards, or at least one in my upcoming project shares challenge video to share that I've made with this stamp set. I think, maybe not, I'm not sure, I can't remember now, but I thought I did. If not, you'll be seeing these cards pop up in my videos at some point here in the near future. So if you have any questions on these kits, I mean, I find that they're very they're a great deal for me. I seem to use about 50 to 80% of the supplies, whether it's in a card or whether it's for another project for snail mail. But I tend to use all of them, and whatever I don't use, I put away in one big box and then kind of dig through there when I'm looking for things to use as inspiration. Anyhow, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back here real soon with some more crafty shares and some more haul videos. You all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.